Have you ever shot a video of a typewriter you were selling for a prospective buyer, demonstrating how well it works, highlighting its features, functions, and flaws, only to sell yourself on it in the process? This 1951 Smith Corona Skyriter is a case in point. Nowhere near mint condition, with significant wear on the space bar and a completely missing back panel where the rabbit ear's paper support is supposed to be, to say nothing about the muted margin bell. Look, what can I say? Sometimes the fit and feel and overall performance of a typewriter supersedes its apparent flaws and completely revokes all desire to sell it. When I have other ultra-portables that are intact, more fully featured, and are considered more desirable. Certainly they're more photogenic. But this slightly battered beauty is my Skyriter. I guess we're just stuck with each other.